afternoon, guys. I'm Loren. I'm also from Alstom. Wow, this training had a major impact on my life. I really, to be honest with you guys, every time when I go into my presentation, it's like butterflies. And then I think, oh yeah, so this one is gonna judge me. But when I done my last one, there was butterflies, but I knew I could do it. And the amazing people that I've met, from each and every company, we had a lot of laughs. Mr. Evil Eye. We would always challenge each other basically when it comes to the tests. And then I know, okay, if we missed one, he will turn around and look at me. But then I'll tell him, you know what, we're gonna get you. And then, like I said, Mr. Batosh, we've decided, you know what, we're gonna assist your company by buying Savannah.
Yeah!
So, guys, you really, Thomas, thank you. Dyna, thank you. Fabian, thank you. Yvonne, thank you. Thanks for sending me on this training. Like I said, it taught me a lot, especially 7 areas of your life. I mean, you cannot just focus on one. You need to focus on each and every one, but you take it step at a time. So, thank you.